Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms, and I've got a new tool that came in here that I'm going to be trying out today. Figured I'd share it with you. It is a fuel pump for fueling the tractors. I've got these diesel cans here. These are better than a lot of them, but even these have some issues with them. And it just seems like nobody can make a gas tank or a diesel tank that is easy to use anymore. It's got all kinds of stupid crap in there. So I ran across this. They were pretty inexpensive. It's for oil and diesel, not for gas, and it just hooks into the tractor to run it. So I figure I'd give it a try and share it with you. So unboxing it, you get some fuel line. I'm guessing maybe that's a vent line. Just wondering how quick this is going to do it, as long as it doesn't take forever to do it. And then you have your pump. Hopefully that cord's going to be long enough, but your alligator clips just hook onto the battery, and you have one line going into your fuel tank that has fuel, and another line going into your tractor fuel tank. So we're going to set this up and turn her on. Alright, so pretty simple setup. It comes with two hoses. Hoses are kind of small, so hopefully this isn't going to take forever. But alligator clips just hook right onto your battery. I got one line going into the fuel. Let's put the fuel a little closer. And one line going into the tank. All right, so I had 6.5 gallons in that tank, or actually I think it was about 6, but 6 to 6.5. It took it 8 minutes to put it in. Only issue I had was the suction hose kept curling around and wanting to come up the top, so you kind of had to hold it down. But other than that, it put all but maybe about 1/4 of a gallon in there in 8 minutes. So pretty happy with it. I've had a couple of cheaper battery powered ones I picked up at Walmart that I've tried with this, and they worked really good, but then you go to use them a week later and the things are just like don't work anymore. So we'll see what the longevity of this is as well. But I'll share a link with this down in the comments section, but just wanted to share it with you. It's Matt with McGee Farms. If you enjoy the videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. It's much appreciated and it helps the channel grow. Till next time, have a great day.